Let's begin with HIIT. So we will be following the cycle of 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 90 seconds. Today's movement is jumping jacks. So what you are going to do is, so that's your jumping jack. You are going to do it for 30 seconds in the first set, 60 seconds in the second set and 90 seconds in the third set, with a gap of few seconds in between, of maybe 15 seconds in between. Okay, all right, let's get ready. This is going to be slightly more on the cardio part. Make sure whenever you jump on your toes, keep your knees soft. All right, let's get ready. I'm going to switch on my timer, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Jumping jacks. Yes, very good. Excellent. $20 seconds gone. 10 more to go. Yes. Don't stop. Carry on. Carry on. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Take a breather. So just make sure that you land on your midfoot or your front foot, but not on your heels when you're doing the jumping jacks, and your knees are soft. Chest is out. Okay. All right. Now we are going to do it continuously for 1 minute or 60 seconds, and then we will do a bit of stretching before we start the 90-second cycle. All right, get ready. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, legs as wide as possible. Very nice, Dipen. Excellent. Good, Samir. Good. Carry on. Good, Ria. Very nice, Bharat. Good. 20 seconds gone by. "30 seconds gone by. 30 more seconds to go. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Yes, let's go for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Okay, let's do some stretching. Catch on your breath, and after that, let's do some stretching before we do the third set. Okay, everyone. Slightly widen your legs, not too much. Slightly widen your legs. Now, from here, lift yourself up, pull yourself up, and try slowly going down on one side. Stay there. Go down as much as possible. Pausing there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Again, pull yourself up. And bend on the other side. Go very slow. Hold your leg. Pause there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, slowly come back up. Relax. Alright. Yes, Ria, if you want to stretch yourself, just grab a chair or anything elevated and place your leg there. Alright. And just go down this much from there. Okay. So as you elevate your leg, in any case, you will feel the stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Alright. Let's get ready now. Final set of HIIT 90 seconds. Okay. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Start jumping jacks, everyone. This time 90 seconds. Yes, Samir, start jumping jacks. Yes. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Carry on. "20 seconds gone by. 30 seconds gone. Halfway through. One minute is up. Only 30 seconds left. Last 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Rest. We are through with the HIIT part. Okay. Now the workout for today is chest and triceps. So we will be doing some chest workout, and the last two movements will be your tricep workout. So the first movement is your push-ups. We will be targeting 100 push-ups today. Okay, ready? Are we ready? Everyone, 100 push-ups. Ria, why are you laughing? Okay, it is very much doable. You won't realize it that you have done 100 push-ups. Okay, so it is just the count that is scary. There is a pain, that's because of the jacks. Okay, so that's because of your shoulder raises. It will go. Alright, it's a muscular pain. Okay, let's get ready. We are going to do push-ups in sets. Alright, it's not in one go. So let's do 10 full push-ups. Let me just revise the movement for you, though we all know. The first set, I'm going to show you a front view. The first set, so if here is my plank hold, here will be my push-ups. Okay, this is my wide push-ups, this is my normal push-ups, and this is my plank. Okay, so in the normal push-ups, the hands are slightly wider than the plank stance, and when I go down, the elbows are closer to the body. Alright, the elbows are not out. You won't be able to go down like this. So keep your elbows closer and lift yourself up. Alright, and again, when you are doing the push-up, your body will go down in one go. Down and up. Whether you are doing it on the knees. Whether you are doing it on the knees, it will again go down in one go. Okay, I don't want to see this and I don't want to see this. Alright, stay stable. Whether you are doing a full push-up, even if you go down this much, that's fine. Okay, let's go for it. 10 counts. Start. First set, 10 counts. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Ria, good. Okay, Varun, slightly lower your camera angle. Parag, you as well, slightly adjust your camera angle. I should be able to see you. So the angle should point at your mat, because it is going to take a while before we finish our 100 push-ups. Sameer, you as well, just slightly lower your camera angle. Okay, let's go for second set. Radhika, you also lower your camera angle. We are going to do 100 push-ups. It's going to take a while. Alright, second set, same movement. 10 counts. Let's go for it. Start. Yes, very good, Sameer. Very nice. Good, good efforts. Yes, very nice, Radhika. Very good. Good, Varun. Good. Keep looking straight, everyone. Don't look down. Sameer, your hands are too wide. थोड़ा पास लेके आओ hands को. You can remove the mat. You can do push-ups without the mat also. Okay. Yes. So Varun, Parag and Bharat start with the third set. Again 10 counts. Alright, others as well. Start third set, 10 counts. Again, same movement. Yes, Sameer, do it on your knees. Knees pe karo. Take your hips also down. Yes, yes, good. Try, try. Okay, once you are done 3 sets of these push-ups, you will take a breather. So 30 push-ups done, 70 left. Okay. Alright. Now, the next type of push-ups, we are going to do wide push-ups. Alright. So, now just have a look at wide push-ups. So, just the stance. Everything else is same. I just want to point out the stance. So, if this was my plank, this was my normal push-ups. My wide push-ups will be just one hand away. Okay, just one hand away. Still under the grip. Okay, don't be too wide that you are not able to stabilize your body. So, this is my plank, this is my usual push-ups, and this is my wide push-ups. The movement remains the same, that when you go down, try keeping your elbows closer to the body. Okay, so when you go down, the elbows are close. Though now, when you bend down, the elbows will be slightly like this, so the angle that is made is slightly like this. But then again, the elbows are closer to the body. They never move out like this. Alright, let's go for it. 10 counts again, wide push-ups. Start. Yes, very nice. Good, Radhika. Radhika, here you are not going to spend so much time. Down and up. Yes, down and up. Okay. Varun, your hands will be slightly down. Okay, they were slightly above the shoulder. Slightly down. So if what I'm saying is, if your hands are here, you might feel that when you go down, your shoulders are engaged more. If you keep your hands slightly below, it will come on your chest. Okay. All right. Take a breather, and we are going to go for the second set as well of the same movement. Start. Second set. Again 10 counts. Full push-ups or knee push-ups, whatever you are comfortable doing. Yes. Yes, Radhika, come back. Yes. Down and up. Faster. Faster. Yes. Good. Yes. Good, Dipen. Good. Yes. Very nice. Very nice, Riya. Good. Yes. Good, Sameer. Good. Go for it. Yes. Again, lie down and up. Okay, all right. Now, in the third set, if some of you are tired, not able to do further counts, now I'll tell you how to do. So, what usually pattern that we follow is we increase the rest time or we reduce the intensity of the workout, but we finish the counts. So this is an intense workout where you kind of do a full push-up, okay? If you get tired, you start with your knees push-up, okay? Now if you get tired doing the knees push-ups, what you do is you start doing the floor touches. Just leave the body down there on the floor and get up. Down, leave the body, down, okay? Yes? Even this you can do, alright? Let's do the third set. Start. Yes, very good, Radhika. Good. Good, Riya. Good. Yes, Sameer, पूरा floor touch करो. Chest को नीचे लेके जाओ पूरा. लेट जाओ नीचे. Yes. And now lift yourself up. Yes. Again, go down completely. Touch your chest on the floor. Yes. Okay. Relax. If you are done 10 counts. Yes. Now, how many done? Total 60. Done 60, Radhika? Okay. All right. Okay. Now, in the next round, what are we going to do is, we are going to try pike push-ups. Okay. We are going to reduce the count of pike push-ups. We are going to do just 8. Okay. And let's see how. So, be in the mountain pose like this. Alright, you can bend your knees. You can keep them straight, I'll let you choose. Now from here, just see that you are going to take your head down and up. Head down and up. Alright, just watch, head down and up. Okay, now in the front angle, it looks like this. If I'm here, take your head down and up. Okay, yes, let's try that. It's a slightly advanced push-up. Let's do 8 of these. Start. Parag, the movement is not right if you're trying to do pike push-ups. Just be in the mountain pose. And from there, take your head down. Yes. Bring your legs closer. You can bend your knees. Yes, Sameer, try it. I'll tell you what to do. Be in the mountain pose. So that's your mountain pose. You can bend your knees. Okay. Now from here, try taking your head down and come back up. Take your head down and come back up. Alright. Down and up. Yes. 8 counts. Yes. Good efforts, yes. Very nice, Riya. Very nice. करो समीर, कुछ नहीं होता तो उस पोज में रहो and count 10. Okay? Be in that pose and stay there. Yes, that's fine if you are not able to do it. That's absolutely fine. You can even do shoulder taps. So remove one hand, tap the other shoulder. Remove the other hand, tap the shoulder. Okay, so I'll tell you how. Others do the second set, 8 counts. So if you are here like this, now from here just tap the shoulders like that. Stay in this pose and tap the shoulders. Yes. Yes, good. Very nice. Radhika, you also be in the mountain pose and tap the shoulder. The movement is not coming right. Yes, bring your legs closer to your hands. Fold your knees, yes. Yes, up your hips more. Take your hands back. Be in the mountain, yes. Now start tapping your shoulders. Yes, 8 on each side. Okay, how many done? Total 76. Is someone keeping a count or I can go beyond 100? 76 I think. Yes? Okay. Alright. Relax. Take a breather now. Yes. If you are done 76 total, take a breather. We'll take a good breather here. Now we are going to work on our diamond push-ups. Yes. Okay. All right, I think everyone is done. Okay, now just watch what we are going to do. For this, you can make an angle of a diamond like this, just right across your chest. Or you can just open your hands and keep them closer. You don't really need to make a diamond, just open your hands and keep them closer. So I'll show you. If I'm here, the movement looks like this. So I'm here, the elbows remain close to your body, alright? You go down and you come back up. You go down and come back up, okay? Even if you do it on your knees, you go down, your chest is as close to the hands as possible. So when you go down, it should ideally touch your chest or maybe very close, alright? So make sure you don't keep your hands up and down too much. They should be right across your chest. Alright, let's try that. So if you feel that you are not able to go down, it may so happen you are going to go down just this much. That's fine. But make sure your elbows remain closer to the body. Alright, here we again do 8 counts. Start. Same movement, 8 counts, diamond push-ups. Yes. Radhika, hands closer. Slightly closer than what you already have. Riya, hands slightly down. Your hands are up across the shoulders. Bring your hands down. Yes. Now do it. And closer, hands closer. Yes. Go for it. Yes. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yes, yes. Come back up. Come back up. Yes. Good. Varun, elbows closer. Elbows are out. Keep your elbows closer. Yes. Good. Okay. Sameer, lower your camera angle. ठीक है. Okay. Take a breather. Second set, 8 counts, again same movement. Let's go for it. Yes, good Varun, good efforts. Bharat, keep looking straight, good efforts, yes, very nice. Okay, how many done? Total. We all should remember the count. How can you be casual about this? Yes.
92.
Yes, 92 push-ups done. Okay. Now the last 8, don't worry, these are going to be the easiest one. I'll let you choose between 2 movements, but make sure you do 8 counts completely of those. One is a normal push-up, one is a floor touch. So very simple, I'm going to keep the last 8. Normal push-ups, you are here, okay, you go down, up. Alright, if you are doing floor touch, down completely, lie down, up, down completely, lie down, up. Alright, you have to choose between the 2 movements, no knee push-ups. Either do a full or do a floor touch. Let's go for it. 8 counts, last 8 counts, 200. No knees push-ups, do a full or do a floor touch. Yes, very good Sameer, very nice. Lift your legs also, lift your knees when you come up, be in the plank. Yes, good, good. Finish 8 counts. If you're done, you get up and take a walk. Okay, now everyone deserves Diwali mithai for completing 100 push-ups, and we are going to increase the intensity thereon. All right, so we will not go 100, 200, 300. That is not what we will be targeting in the coming few weeks. We will keep increasing the intensity of the push-ups. All right, so that we get more benefits out of the movement. All right, relax a bit. Now we will be using our resistance band, the longer one, if you have, or dumbbells or water bottles, whatever you have, for the upcoming movement. Okay, so it is not going to be very intense, so you don't need too much of rest period here. Your muscles are already activated now. Now just see how are we going to tie this band, and I'm just sitting and showing you. So just loop it around your shoulders like this, slightly below the shoulder, okay, like this. Now your elbows will be, your band will be above your elbows, okay. This is how it is going to be. You can keep it slightly down also as per your adjustment. Just loop your hands here. Just loop your hands here. Okay, so as much as resistance as you want to add. Now resistance is from here. This end is slightly loose and doesn't require much resistance. Resistance is, this is what I'm talking about, this angle. Now when I lie down, the movement looks like this. It's a chest press. Okay, it's a chest press. All right, and how am I going to do it? By lying down. Just let me show it to you. So you lie down with your band here and take your hands up and down, up and down. And we do 15 counts of this movement. Okay, yes. Just make sure that when you come up and you go down, the resistance from this end remains. This end is loose, but resistance from this end remains. So don't lose the resistance. Tighten your band so that when you are lifting it up, the first phase only, here only you can feel the resistance. And from here, push it up and down. Push it up and down. And now if I sit and show you the angle, it looks like this. Okay? It looks like this while I am lying down. Let's try 15 counts, everyone. Go for it. Lie down. You don't need to open the band, Radhika. You need to push the band from here. So see. Sorry. So you are here. You need to push the band from here. Push and down. Just take it slightly down. Push and down. You are not opening the hands. Push and down. Just try so that I can see whether you have followed. Yes. Dipen, yours is good. Yes. Yes, very nice. Sameer, good. Band को थोड़ा सा shoulder से नीचे लेके आओ समीर. Slightly down the shoulders. Yes. Yes. Good, Radhika. Good. Yes. 15 counts of this movement. Bharat, don't move your wrist. Your hands will stay in one constant position. Yes, your hands will be here. Yes, good. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Parag, you can change the grip in the second set maybe. You can loop it around your hands. That will give you a good grip. Not around your wrist, but around your hands is what I mean. Okay, 15 counts and then you may get up. Yes, you will feel it here as well, slightly. So, yes. Sorry, I didn't get you.
Maximum pressure is felt here.
Okay, so it is ultimately a chest and a tricep workout. Your deltoids are also engaged, but primarily chest workout. So chest is your pecs. So this is the thing that you need to work on. Now, you might feel that you are pushing your band from here, that is the resistance, but ultimately try to flex your chest as you come up. You need to keep it flexed, all right? You need to flex your chest. Okay. Parag, you need to loop it like this. If you loop it around your hands, you won't be able to push it as much. Okay, just loop it like this around your fingers. Okay, all right. Let's go for one more set of this movement. Just try to squeeze in your chest as you come up and don't let the resistance go away when you take your hands down. Yes, let's go for it. Radhika, band should be slightly down. Okay, so right now your band is here. I want it to be slightly down, right across your chest. Okay, this is the position of your band. Yes, very good, Varun. Very nice. Yes, good. Okay. All right. Now, the next movement, will be your chest flies, and so I'll just show you with the dumbbells. We were used to doing this movement, yes, while lying down. I'm just showing you a front view. The same movement we are going to do with the band now. Now again, wear your band like this. Don't concentrate on opening this part, okay? That is another movement. That is your face pulls or your band pulls. We won't be concentrating on this. Now what we will be concentrating on is, just slightly you need to tighten it before you begin. We will be concentrating on bringing the arms closer, flexing the chest, okay? And then opening it, and then bringing it closer. Open, closer. So this this part is what we will be working at. This part. Alright, open, close, open, close, open. If you feel the two hands you are not, so we won't be sitting and doing it, don't practice it like that. Lie down and practice. I'm just showing you so that the view is clear. Okay, close, open, close. If you feel with with both the hands it is uncomfortable, you can do it with single hand also. But make sure you flex the chest muscles. Now, I'll show you how to do it while you lie down. So this was the view that you got. Now, to begin with, again the band is here. Tighten it. Tighten it from here, lie down. Now, to begin with, we are here. Close. Open, close, open, close. Okay, yes, got it? It is open and close. Open and close. The elbows are closer when you bring your hands like this. The elbows are closer. Soft and close. Let's go for it again. 15 counts. Yes, let's try that. नो समीर, ट्यूब को, आपकी जो ट्यूब है उसको पीछे लेके जाओ एंड स्लाइटली बिलो द शोल्डर्स. हाँ, और जो दोनों हैंडल्स हैं उनको थोड़ा नीचे से जस्ट होल्ड इट फ्रॉम बिलो. Yes, and now, yes, open and close. Now do it. Yes, good, good. Yes, very nice, Riya, good. Good, Dipen, good, yes. Yes. Radhika, you are concentrating on opening the band. I want you to concentrate on closing the band. Change your wrist position. So wrist should be as in you're closing it. So this is the wrist. Okay, open, close. Wrist facing like this. Close. So if you do it like this, your concentration would be in opening the band more. Turn around your hands. Close. Everyone, okay? Yes, close. Concentrate on closing. See the chest muscles popping up, flexing. Yes. Good. Let's go for second set again, 15 counts. Yes, good. Yes, good, good. Good try, everyone. Yes, very nice. Good, Varun. Very good, Riyal. Okay, if you're done 15 counts, you'll get up and take a walk. Very nice, Varun. Very good. Yes, good, Parag. Good. Concentrate on closing the band more. Okay. Alright. Everyone, arrange a chair, bed, whatever is available in your room. We are going to do back dips and we are going to do kickbacks of triceps. So 2 tricep exercises is what we are going to do. Okay, just watch. Let's concentrate on the kickbacks first because it is going to take time to learn this movement. So, place your feet around, loop it around the band like that. Alright. Hold one end of the band depending on how tight your band is. Okay. Now, I'll just show you what is desired. You need to bend down like this. You can even, take rest somewhere, not an issue. So you can grab a chair and place your hand. So one end is tied against my leg. Okay, one end here. Now from here, I lift the band and take it back and bring it here. Lift the band, take it back. Lift and back. So see, my shoulder is not moving, my elbow is not moving, only the forearm is moving. Okay. Now, if I want to increase the resistance, you will hold loop the band like this and hold it like this. And just drop your body, front leg bend, back leg can also be bent, just be here. And from here, kick it back and down, back and down. So it's a tricep workout. Alright, let's try it. Be in this pose, everyone. Do it with me so that you know what the move. Bend down first. Bend down, and this is your starting position. Fold your elbows. Fold your elbow. Yes, this is your starting position. Now from here, open the arm. The elbow will not move. Open the arm. Open the arm. Yes, Parag, you need to open the arm and then close. Open, close. Open, no, you're moving your full arm. I want you to move only from your forearm. So drop the band, everyone, drop the band. Just practice what we are going to do. Even without the band, you can flex your tricep. Just watch it. If I'm here, okay, this is the band that you're holding. Out and in. Out and in. So here the tricep flexes. The elbow is fixed. It is not moving. Alright, the elbow is not moving. Let's try it with the band, everyone. Yes. Yes, Bharat, let's try. Yes. Good, Varun, good. Yes, Riya, you need to kick back further. Bend down more. Kick back further. Yes, good, good, good. No. The pain, your shoulders are moving. So what I want you to do is, if you are here, that's your band. Hold the band like this. Now open the arm. Close. Open. Close. That is what I want you to do. So see, depends, see, this is constant, this is not moving. Only your lower arm, your forearm is moving. Okay? Yes. Yes, much better, much better. Again try fixing your elbow. Your elbow is again moving. Yes, much better, much better. Yes, Sameer, you need to tie the band with the front foot, not with the back foot. जो आगे है पैर, the one that is in front, उसके साथ tie कीजिए. Yes. And now kick it back. Now hold it and kick back. Yes, there you go. Very nice. पूरा इस arm को straight करो, flex the tricep and back. Yes, let's do 10 on each hand and 2 sets, everyone. 10 on each arm and 2 sets. Yes. Try to open the elbow full, as in flex the arm full, you will feel it in your triceps. Don't move your elbows front and back. Elbows is fixed. Okay. Radhika, you're working more on your shoulders rather than the triceps. Okay. So either loosen up the band a bit or I'll tell you what to do. Wait. Leave the band. Now just take your band here in front and bring one of the elbow down and up. Down and up. It is the same effect that you will get with the kick back. Down and up. Down and up. I want you to feel your triceps, everyone. So just keep one hand constant like this and move the band with one hand down. One down, yes. Down and up. Chest out, back straight, Radhika. Yes. No. Radhika, you need to keep your elbow constant. See, you need to keep your elbow. This is your starting point. Keep your elbow constant, yes. Now from here, straighten the arm and bring it closer. Straighten the arm and bring it closer, yes. Straighten and closer, yes. So this is what, if you're finding the back dips uncomfortable, you can do this movement, yes. Don't move the arms, you're here. Just straighten one arm while pulling the band, okay? The other arm is holding the band intact. Okay. Change your hand movement, Radhika, just see. So you need to pull down like this. Change your hand movement. So from here you need to pull down. This is your hand movement. Yes, now pull it down, down. No, why are you doing this? You need to pull down like this, down. Okay? Yes, yes, much better, much better. Okay, relax. Alright. The last movement is your back dips. Again, working on your chest and triceps. Grab a chair. Something which is stable, not very volatile, or you can place it against the wall. Now, pointers here. Sit on the chair with your hands underneath your hips so that your hands remain closer. Okay? Now from here, take your legs out. Your hips remain closer to the chair. Drop down your body and come back up. Drop down and come back up. Alright? Fingers pointing straight. So when you sit, the hand fingers, they are pointing straight. Let's go for it. 10 counts of back dips. Yes. Very nice, Radhika. Good. Try. Ria, straighten your legs. When you sit on the bed first. No, not from here. Sit on the bed first. Arms closer, underneath your hips. Underneath your hips, yes. Now straighten your legs. Straighten your legs, yes. Now go down. Remove your hip from the bed. Now go down. Yes. Now the legs will bend. That is okay. Okay. Go down, yes. And come back up. Hands still have to be closer. Why are your hands out? Hands closer, yes. Down and up. Very good, very good. 10 counts. Okay, 2 sets, everyone. If you're done one set, do one more set. One more set of back dips. 10 counts again. Done 2 sets, Bharat, relax. Yes. Sameer, just go an inch down and come back up. Yes, that's fine. Up. Yes. Try, keep trying it. Yes, so Sameer, what you will be doing is just do 5 counts of this. You are here, okay? Now take your legs further. Just go down like this and come back. Go down like this and come back. Okay, 5 counts. Do it like that, yes. Others can relax if you're done. Yes. Okay, relax. Alright, we are through with our workout. Let's do some stretching again. Grab a chair or whatever you are using for your back dips. We are going to stretch your upper body first.